Welcome back to another Solidworks tutorial. Here we have project assignment number 7, the U bracket. You want to select top plane, and we'll do normal to, hit sketch, and we'll draw this straight slot. And like so. We've got a circle here, and another one over here. We have to add a relation. These two are equal in size, and we know one of them is 626 point. What does this drawing say? It's really hard to read that. Yeah, I'm gonna say 626.626, and then the separation of the two is 5. And finally, we have to find the midpoint and add a relation, set it to the center, and hit coincident. And now we should be completely fully constrained, so we can go ahead and hit the check. Our thickness is 1/2 inch, so extruded boss base, and 1/2 inch thick. Next, we will come from this face, hit normal to, and we'll do another sketch, and we'll do a circle, and this circle right here, let's see, this is a radius of 1.625, so diameter 1.625 times 2. Okay. So I did something that's kind of not correct. So I started this circle from this face. Really, it should be to the front plane. So what you can do is, exit out of the sketch. You've got your sketch, and then right-click and say Edit Sketch Plane, and then click on Front and hit the check, and it will move the sketch over to the other plane. And now there's your sketch. So we'll go ahead and extrude boss base, and you can see it right there, mid-plane. We know it's 2.5 wide, so 2.5, and hit the check. So there's the start. Next, we have to remove the bottom half of the circle, and we have this square cutout feature. The sketch doesn't actually show the dimensions of the feature. It's earlier on in the notes that it's a 2x1, so that's how I know. So we'll go ahead and create a sketch that'll start on this face, and just hit normal to so it squares up, and then we can do a center. Actually, yeah, we can do a center rectangle right there. We know it's 1 tall and 2 wide. And add a relation, make sure this line over here are collinear. And we'll expand this out so that it removes all of this other material too. And it doesn't need to be perfect, but close enough. Comes to that point. And then you'll just trim entities and trim that line and that line. And here's your sketch. And then we'll do an extruded cut. And that should go up to next. So see, you can see how it's about to remove it right now. And hit the check. There's your feature. And then finally we have this hole up on the top here that we will have to draw. Now it's really tricky to do this, you know, if you've got this round surface right here, it's kind of harder to try to locate because there's not really a plane here. So what I like to do on this part is just put the hole on the bottom, normal to, and we'll do the sketch on this side and just draw the hole right there. And our dimension for that is 0.25. And we'll hit the check and just say extruded cut, and we'll go, let's see, up to next, yes, and then hit the check. Let's take a look. That looks about right. Thanks for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe for more content.